vlog. It's your girl ZaNelle. What in the world is going on? I miss you guys. Haven't seen you in a long time. Today I'm going to be making cookies for Santa. But yeah, I'm making cookies for Santa. I'm making chocolate chip cookies. And guess what? I got milk to set out for Santa. I got 1% milk just in case Santa needs to go on a diet. When she may be doing. It's my baby Bessie! My baby Bessie! They look the same, but they're not. So, now I gotta wash my hands. And I'm letting the oven preheat to 350. I don't know if I can see it. I'm letting the oven heat to 350. And it says bake the cookies for 12 to 13 minutes. But I'm only going to let them bake for 11 minutes. Pardon me, I'm out of breath because I just picked up those dogs and they're heavy. So yeah, I'm going to start by washing my hands. Then I'm going to put the cookies on the sheet. And once I finish putting the cookies on the sheet, since you guys are watching this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And turn your post notifications on so you can see when your girl posts. So excited about these cookies because Santa loves cookies. I think chocolate chip cookies are Santa's favorite. And these have extra chocolate chips. I'm pretty pissed right now because now I didn't thought they were out of a lot of the cookies at the store. I did wait till the last minute. So, I mean, I'm just going to have to do what I do. But, honestly, I thought there were a lot of cookies in here. This is not going to be enough cookies for Santa because Santa like to eat. And it's only a few cookies on here. My husband's ugly Christmas sweater. Let me see.
This is big cookies.
The cookies are big? Look at his ugly Christmas sweater. It's called an ugly Christmas sweater. That ain't a cute Christmas sweater. My dogs are really just sitting here like they know what chocolate cookie is. Chocolate chip cookies are. If you haven't watched Bird Box on Netflix, you sleep. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know if I should put them like this, like 4 or... I don't know why I would put it like that. Oh, you are. Now I'm gonna wash my hands again. Now that I got all the cookies on the sheet. And like I said, I'm cooking the cookies. I'm baking the cookies for 11 minutes. I'm gonna dry my hands. So the oven just went off. Move out the way before you get burned. Hey, move your face, dummy. So I'm gonna put these in here. Get out of the kitchen. They're going in, and when you see them again, they'll be done. Also, guys, I'm going to be making some hot cocoa. They're almost done. Look at them. I don't even want it to start. Because I'm lazy, I brewed the water through the coffee machine. Intuition, baby. This cute little handsome boy. The cute handsome. You waiting for Santa Claus? You waiting? What about you, Q-Tip? You waiting for Santa? Stop, boy, stop. We do Christmas real crazy here. Let me turn off the music. This is our banister. Lighten up. Then we have our lights. We do Christmas crazy. And this is the room with our trees in. We want to thank everybody who sent a card. This is outside the house. It's a little junky, but don't jump. Our reindeer.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride
Look at the bushes.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
You can't really see it because it's dark.
Oh, what fun it is.
Now let's go check on our cookies. Let's see what the cookies look like.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride on a horse open sleigh. What fun it is to ride